All right, so we're going to determine similarity with a real life example. Can the artist copy her sketch to cover an entire wall measuring 15 feet high and 20 feet wide so her wall mural is similar to her sketch? Explain. So we can see she has this sketch. It's 15 inches long, 11 inches wide. Can she copy that sketch to cover a wall measuring 15 feet high by 20 feet wide? And we want the sketch and the wall mural to be similar, meaning that they have a composition of a dilation and a rigid motion. So it will have the proportional side lengths and angle measures that are the same. That's the dilation. And then the transformation, we may just need to translate it so they start in the same spot. But if we just kind of think about what we're saying here's her little sketch right here. That's her 14 by 11 inches. We want to see, can we dilate this? Can we grow this with a scale factor so that it ends up covering an entire wall that is 20 feet by 15 feet? And can we do that so that it proportionally grows with that dilation and covers that whole thing? We don't want to distort her original sketch at all. So we are looking at to check a dilation. And then where the transformation comes in is this would be considered a translation to get, this smaller, her sketch in the bottom left corner of the wall. And that's where, so once we get this positioned in this spot, now can we do a dilation to get it to fit? All right, I was stumbling over my words a little bit there, but hopefully you followed along. So in order to do this, we are going to want to convert to the same units. When you convert to same units, it is always easier to work with the smaller units. So our smaller units are inches. Her sketch is 14 inches long and 11 inches high. And then that mural, the wall, we know is 20 feet by 15 feet. And then if we convert that, so 20 feet, there are 12 inches in every foot. So 12 times 20 is 240 inches. And then 15 feet times 12 inches gives us 180 inches. So what we're going to do is we are going to check to see if each dimension has the same scale factor. So if you remember to dilate one figure into another figure, it uses the same scale factor for all the sides. We don't switch scale factors because then the shape would change. It wouldn't maintain the same shape with just a different size. So we're going to take our length of our image, 180 inches, over its corresponding pre-image length, which is 11. 180 divided by 11 is about 16.4. And now let's check our other dimension. We have our image, 240 inches. We're going to divide that by the pre-image of 14 inches. And if we get a 16.4, that means they're using the same scale factor, and this will work out perfectly. When we divide this, however, we get 17.1. So they do not have the same scale factor. So scale factors are different. So the sketch cannot be copied. to cover the entire wall.